Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel's last sketch of the day. So I'm really happy with this because this was quite a difficult pose to capture. This is a photo that I took a screenshot of and I thought I'll go to that when I'm ready. And I thought I'm actually going to give that a bash. Because her hands were on her head as well as the mouth being slightly open and her head was tilted. So it's actually quite a difficult pose to try and capture for myself personally. The first one took me 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes. I wanted to take my time with getting the hands. However, the hands they're more there to kind of show that her head was on her hands. However, they need work and I know they need work. But the face I'm really happy with, the layout and the structure and the ratios. The second one took me 2.5 minutes, which I was really surprised at because I did actually manage to capture it again. The second one looks a little bit softer in the features. And yeah, the third one, that was again 2.5 minutes, so that's even less time. Again, softer features. Yes, the hands need a lot of work, but I'm really happy with the overall results. My accuracy is improving as well as proportions and ratios, and the speed is coming on. So please try this method. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please contact me, because if you'll see from shorts that I've put on lately, my sketches from previously, I thought were actually not too bad compared to these now. I am delighted with. I'll give you a quick example. That's what I used to draw like, what I should say is sketch like. So, and that's now. So I'm really happy with the overall results. Please let me know if you are trying it, and please let me know if you'd like more information. Thanks guys!